This is a full brand campaign kit I just created with AI. Logo, typography, packaging design, e-commerce product visuals, and even a short video, all created in one place, without jumping between different tools. I used Lovart, an AI design agent built for complete creative workflows. For many early-stage brands, creating one good-looking image is not the real problem. The harder part is making every asset feel like it belongs to the same brand. So in this video, I'll use Lovart to build a brand from scratch, starting with a simple idea and turning it into a complete set of consistent brand visuals and marketing materials. Hi, I'm Ryan. I share AI tools and AI workflows here on this channel. If this video is helpful, you can subscribe, so whenever I find something new, you'll be the first to know. Now I want to try creating my own sustainable fashion brand. The brand is called Valora. It represents a more minimal and sustainable lifestyle. The target audience is people with purchasing power who care about sustainability. So visually, I want the brand to feel premium, natural, and modern, with green and beige as the main colors. First, I want to start with the most essential part of the brand, the logo and the basic visual direction. Inside Lovart, there are many built-in skills for different design tasks. You can think of them as ready-made creative workflows. For example, when you want to create a logo, brand identity, poster, or ad creative, you can choose the right skill directly. You don't have to plan the entire process from scratch. So now I'm going to the skill section and choosing the logo and branding skill under the branding category. Next, I'll describe the kind of brand logo I want. I want it to feel minimal and elegant while still reflecting the idea of sustainable fashion. Alright, the agent has generated several logo directions based on my request. Each option has a slightly different visual focus. I like this direction. It feels clean and refined, and it matches the brand feeling I had in mind. So I'll choose this one. After confirming the logo, I can ask Lovart to continue building the basic visual direction for this brand. For example, color direction, visual style, and a brand mood board. These basic elements will later become the foundation for the brand kit. Now you can see that Lovart is helping me expand the rest of the brand visuals. Everything is placed on one canvas, so I don't need to jump back and forth between different platforms. Besides the logo, typography is also an important brand asset. It affects the first impression people have of the brand, and it also shapes the style of the brand's materials. So next, I want to create a custom font direction for Valora. At the bottom of the Lovart canvas, I'll open the font generator and enter my brand requirements. I'll continue with the same brand direction from earlier. I want the font to feel minimal, natural, and premium while keeping a modern fashion look. It should also stay consistent with the logo we just created. Of course, you can also upload reference images to generate fonts. That works well too. Alright, the agent has generated the font based on my description. Let's take a closer look at the result. This looks pretty good. The line quality and overall feeling match the sustainable fashion direction I had in mind, while still keeping the design clean and premium. This example is intentionally pretty minimal because it matches the Valora brand direction, but the font generator can also go in a completely different creative direction. For example, I can create something cute and playful, or go for a more colorful and experimental typography style. I can describe the style I have in mind, or simply upload a reference image and let Lovart generate a font based on that visual direction. So there's actually a lot of room to experiment here. Depending on the project, the same tool can create clean, minimal brand typography, or something much more expressive and visually distinctive. For Valora, though, I'll stick with the minimal direction we created earlier and add this font to the brand kit. Later, whether I'm creating packaging design, marketing posters, or social media content, I can quickly reuse this font and keep everything under the same brand style. So far, starting from a simple brand idea, I have already created the basic brand visual assets, the logo, the font, and the color direction. But for a real brand, the key is not just generating one nice image. The key is making everything work as a system. So I'm going to upload these assets I just created into the brand kit. That includes the logo, font, color palette, design guidelines, and photography references. After that, any social media posts, product ads, e-commerce visuals, website banners, or short videos I create later can all follow the same visual rules through this brand kit. This is one of the biggest differences between Lovart and a regular image generator. Lovart helps you build a reusable design system, so every new asset can stay consistent with the same brand identity. Now, I still need marketing materials for the brand. This is also one of the areas where Lovart is really useful. It can let the agent generate 8 to 10 sets of visually consistent marketing assets in one batch. and it can even support generating over 100 assets at once. Next, I'll continue in Lovart and use the brand kit I just built to let the agent create marketing materials for me. Let's say I'm launching the first product for Valora, a bomber jacket. First, I ask Lovart to generate the product image for this jacket. Next, I want Lovart to use this jacket product image and generate 10 sets of marketing assets in one go. Now Lovart is creating content based on my brand kit. You can probably see from the results that the output is not random. It is designed around the brand rules. These assets follow the same visual language, including the brand logo, the typography, the green and beige color palette, and the overall minimal and premium style. Now the assets are ready. All the generated social posts, product ads, e-commerce visuals, and website banners are placed together on this infinite canvas. I can view them, compare them, and continue editing the whole campaign in one space. The whole process only took one instruction. I don't need to adjust the colors again and again. I don't need to explain the brand style from scratch for every single image. Lovart keeps everything consistent based on the brand kit. Of course, generation is not the end of the creative process. If I want to adjust some details, I can click on an asset and enter Lovart's online editing mode. With the layer controls, I can quickly find the exact element I want to change. If I only want to refine one small area, I can also use local editing to adjust that part. For example, with this product poster, I want to change the headline. I can click directly on the text layer and change New Arrival to Sustainable Style Made for Everyday Wear. Then I change Shop Now to Explore the Collection. As you can see, Lovart updates the design while keeping the original visual style. So I can keep refining the design based on the actual use case without opening another design tool. Lovart can also help brands create video content quickly. I'm going to use this marketing visual that Lovart generated earlier. It already has a person and a scene in the image, so it works well as the starting point for a short video. You can see that the video keeps the colors, typography, and premium minimalist feeling from the brand kit. This makes it suitable for social media promotion. Also, this whole process can be saved as a custom skill. Next time I need to create new campaign content for the brand, I won't have to build the workflow again from the beginning. By the way, fashion is only one example. Lovart can also be used for other small business scenarios, like local cafes, handmade brands, Etsy sellers, skincare brands, and more. But it is not limited to branding or website visuals. Industrial designers, product designers, and creators can also use it to explore ideas, test visual directions, and generate or refine polished visuals without a complicated workflow. Once you try it, the value becomes much easier to understand. Alright, that's it for today. In this video, I took a deeper look at Lovart, this AI design agent. I started with a simple business idea, used it to create a logo, typography, and basic assets, organized everything into a brand kit, then generated a full set of visually consistent marketing materials, and finally turned one of the visuals into a short video. For me, the most interesting part of Lovart is that it can help turn a real business idea into a complete and reusable brand visual system. So if you need to create brand design, marketing materials, e-commerce visuals, or short video ads, I've put the link below. You can click it and try Lovart for yourself. I'm Ryan, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.